fucking jump.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this video started. Hit this like to get you a little bit of box action. This label in here, small label gang. This is the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air Comfort White. I think particle blue. I got it wrong, guys. I'm sorry. The light's too bright. But it's the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort High White Particle Blue. Like this shoe. It's not bad. It's one of the first Jordan Zoom Comforts I got. This is my wearing pair. Now this is my rental pair, but I've been wearing it. I stand correct, but I have a wearing and staring pair. Didn't have to break mine out just yet. I think I wore my wearing pair once. But then, like I said, since I'm renting sneakers, I said I decided to get another pair. It's a good shoe. It went up in value from when I bought it. That's another reason why I didn't want to wear it. When I first got them, I think they were, I got them for way under retail, like maybe $1, $1.25. This is before all of the COVID and everything got crazy. So sneakers were still sitting. You can find Jordans for very cheap money. Every Jordan then instantly jump up $10, $20 over retail. Recently, things have been going back to normal. I've been able to find shoes sitting. The leather on this shoe isn't bad. It has patent leather with a translucent leather back, or translucent plastic back. I apologize, instead of leather. It has the zoom bottom. It's making all of the zoom bottoms colorful, putting the Z's in there. Another 360. You see the gray to white to the gray swoosh again. You got some top action because this is where the blue is. Blue sock liner. I said this heel tab is a translucent plastic, but you can see a little gray underlay. I hope you guys can make that out. As well, it has the little translucent pullaways up here. You guys can see that you can detach it from the shoe. I apologize, guys, my phone's gone off. And the biggest feature of this shoe, like I said, is the bottom. But let's get on with the next shoe, guys. Alright, guys, let's get on with this next shoe. Get you guys a little bit of label action. This one is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Hemp White Gum and Yellow. Not a bad shoe. A lot of people said they missed out on the shoe and they might be looking for it, so I'll put some on eBay and StockX. If you guys are still looking for it, let me know. A lot of people tell me they like this shoe. Give it a test, guys. Oh, leather is soft. Quality on this shoe is pretty good. Colorway is pretty good, especially for the school kids, I guess. If you have to wear those tan uniforms. See, all leather. To the leather side panel. To the leather Nike swoosh. White Air Jordan logo. Same tan or hemp back. Hemp all the way around the back, white upper. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Not a bad shoe at all. Same consistency on this side. And you get to that, ooh, sweet gum bottom. Oh, I love gum bottoms. Yeah, this is not a bad pair. Not a bad pair at all. Get you guys some light action. Alright. That gum bottom looks even better in the light. I'm watching on the screen as I do this, guys, so bear with me. I'm checking this shoe out for the first time with you guys. Like I said, materials are good. Got to get one pair of laces with this shoe. Retail, I believe, is 120 bucks. I don't know where resale is. I think resale is about 150. It's not a bad shoe at all. I've seen worse Jordan 1 mids. So, yeah, not bad. Not bad. You guys one more 360 with the light out. I can see this shoe going with a lot of outfits, especially now that it's fall. Everything's laid back. This shoe seems to be a pretty much fall color shoe. So I'm going to have to pick a couple of these up. I might go get a couple more pairs now, in case anybody, like I said, needs any pairs. I didn't really look at it. I just kept one pair for myself. I think I'll get another pair for myself just for this gum bottom. I'll give you guys another side view of what the people will see when it's on your feet. We'll get on with this last shoe. Alright, everybody, let's get on with this last shoe. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Cat, get out of here. You're not in this episode. Sorry about that, guys. My cat said he's in the show too. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Chili Red, White, and Pollen, aka the Jordan 1 Mid Barcelona Sweaters. Isn't a bad shoe. I don't really like patent leather, so I'm only going to keep one pair of these shoes for myself. You guys might look may vary. My little lace bag's open for some odd reason. These shoes sold out, got restocked. Now they're sitting. A lot of returns are coming back to different people. But like I said, to me, it's an okay shoe. I don't know. I've seen better Jordan 1 mids. I've seen worse. If you like red, it's pretty decent. Got the little hits of the Barcelona sweater up here. All red patent leather on the shoe. Get this lace bag out of the way. More red patent leather on this side with a patent leather Nike swoosh. Bottom of the shoe is a translucent powder blue. Let me get that a little bit closer for you guys and get you some light action. Just a regular Jordan 1 bottom. Like I said, it's translucent blue though. So you can see a little bit more of it. The leather quality isn't too bad. Standard Jordan 1 mid leather quality. Patent leather, like I said, all over the shoe. So you're going to make sure that you don't scuff or drag your feet if you don't want to see bad on the patent leather. Back to another side view. All patent leather. White Jordan logo. Another thing I really don't like, white midsoles. They're always going to be hard to clean. So this shoe is going to be a shoe that, in my opinion, is very hard to keep clean and unscuffed, being that it's white and patent leather at the same time. So you're going to be in for a little adventure to get you guys a little bit of top action of the shoe. You can see the full top of the shoe. Get a little bit of that Barcelona sweater action close for you guys. So in my opinion, not a bad shoe. I don't know. I think this was a little bit over normal Jordan retail. I think this shoe was going for 130 bucks. I believe it was because of the patent leather. Might be a little bit more expensive than, you know, just going with normal leather, but when you get out of here, it tells you you're not in this episode. You get back next episode. You're on the cat show. Said he likes this Jordan too. He wants to be on this Jordan. Cat, get out of here. I'm going to end this video before my cat breaks something. Get you guys one more side silhouette. What people will see when the shoe is on your feet. Alright guys, you know what time of the show it is. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, let me know what shoes you want to see next. I'm still looking for a space to open up so I could get all my shoes in there at one time, but it seems like it's going to be an impossibility for me. I have to either build a location or find a mega mansion. The closest place I seen was $39.5 million. I'm not trying to pay that. You guys stay safe out there. Keep growing your collections. I'm going to keep growing mine. And everybody have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!